Hey there, fellow viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to get your Bank of Baroda statement for 2025. Whether you're managing your finances, preparing for taxes, or just keeping track of your spending, having your bank statement at hand is essential. This guide is straightforward, step by step, and tailored for 2025's updated features, so let's dive right in. First off, the easiest way is through the Bank of Baroda mobile app. Start by downloading or updating the app from your phone's app store. It's free and secure. Once installed, log in with your username and password. If you haven't set one up yet, head to the bank's website to register. Now, navigate to the Statements or e-Statements section. Select the account you want, choose the date range for 2025, and hit Download. Voila! Your statement will be ready as a PDF in seconds. If you prefer the web version, fire up your browser and go to the Bank of Baroda net banking portal at bankofbaroda.com. Log in with your credentials, then look for the Account Summary tab. From there, click on Statement Request, and follow the prompts to select your account and the period, like January to December 2025. Don't forget to verify with an OTP for security. It only takes a moment. For those who like the personal touch, you can visit your nearest Bank of Baroda branch. Bring your ID and account details, and ask the teller for a physical or printed statement. They might take a few minutes to generate it, but it's a reliable option if you're not tech savvy. A quick tip: always check for any updates to the bank's app or website, as features might evolve in 2025. Also, ensure your device is secure to protect your financial data. There you have it. Getting your Bank of Baroda statement is quicker than you think. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.